Hey guys, it's Garth Harris, General Manager over here at Cake, and today I want to do a feature spotlight on Cake Pay. So, what is Cake Pay? Cake Pay is a full service solution that allows you to sit back and allow Cake to pay your affiliates that you've assigned as Cake Pay. Now, one thing to identify is that Cake Pay is for any affiliate that is on a monthly billing cycle. And it's a self-service solution for your affiliates so that they can log into the Cake affiliate portal and they can upload a W-8 or W-9 depending on if they're domestic to the US or international, and they can identify their payment method. So no more do you have to receive all of that information manually from your affiliates. They can just do it straight from the affiliate portal, and then you just allow Cake to take care of the rest. All right, let's dive into Cake so I can show you a few really simple steps on how to assign Cake Pay to your affiliates, how you can allow your affiliates to log into the affiliate portal and they can complete all the work on their end. And then I'm going to show you how to generate your bills and then essentially allow Cake to do the rest. So let's dive into the affiliate grid that we have here at Cake. And I want to show you how you can filter by payment type. And I also want to show you how you can assign Cake Pay to an affiliate. So here's my affiliate grid. I have the filter turned on using my edit view button here for payment type. So I can actually see all the different payment types that we support, and I can select Cake Pay to show you how easy it is that, okay, these are your affiliates that you've assigned Cake Pay to. Because remember, you don't have to assign Cake Pay to all of your affiliates. Okay, so let's say we want to add Cake Pay to an individual affiliate. Let me just show you how easy that is. So I'm going to search for myself here as an affiliate. I'm going to open up the affiliate card and go to the Billing and Payments tab. This is where I can choose on the billing type. I can go from Standard to Cake Pay and then just hit Save. All right. So once I do that, you can see that we have this blue button that's turned on that allows me to verify the status of their Cake Pay. Did they set it up correctly? So if I click on this button right here, it'll actually tell me I have no tax form uploaded and I don't have a primary account set up for payment. So this is just showing me that this affiliate has not done anything yet because clearly we just turned it on for them. All right, so that is step number one. You've assigned Cake Pay to the affiliate, which means that the affiliate can now log into the affiliate portal and they can actually configure Cake Pay themselves. So let's jump over to this affiliate's affiliate portal and show you the different steps that they can now do. All right, guys, I'm now in the affiliate portal where I can see on the left-hand navigation menu that I have payment info. So this is where I can actually go and access Cake Pay once that's been turned on the admin side of the fence. So as the affiliate, I can navigate to payout information. And from here, you can see that I have two things that I have to do to be fully set up. I have to add a payout method and I have to upload a tax document. So let me just show you what that looks like once I've completed both of those so that the affiliate can get verification that they are fully set up, because the tax docs is actually a manual process. Once they upload their W-8 or W-9, that actually goes to the Cake Pay team for review. We then approve those tax documents just to make sure that they have everything necessary, and then we approve it from our side. And once that approval goes through, the affiliate will get confirmation from their side. So let me just go ahead and add the payment out method and the tax document to show you what that looks like completed. All right, guys, I've just submitted my payment method, and I've also submitted my W-9 as a US resident. As you can see here, my payment method has gone through just fine, and so that shows an active green box. And for my tax documents, they've been submitted and they're under review. So once that has been accepted, then I'll have two green active green boxes that shows me as the affiliate that I'm ready for payment. So let's hop back into the admin side of the fence where I can show you how to verify the status of the affiliate and how to generate bills so that you can then just allow Cake to pay your affiliates. All right, guys, we're back on the admin side. I have my original affiliate card opened up, and I'm back on that Billing and Payments tab where I can now check the status. So if I click on this blue box again, you've noticed that that primary account has gone away and the tax document is still there. So once that gets verified, I will click on that blue button again and it'll just say active. So that's the verification process. So let's jump into the actual accounting side of the fence so I can show you what it looks like to generate bills And then you can then see all of your affiliates that have Cake Pay enabled versus the ones that don't. So you know exactly what's happening on your side. So let's go ahead and jump into accounting. All right, now you can see that we're on the accounting main tab. And when you first get here for a month that you've never generated bills for before, and maybe the accounting section is new for you, you can actually use this without Cake Pay, but it's actually a fantastic tool with Cake Pay. When you first get here, it'll say no bills this billing period. Would you like to generate them? So that's your prompting to say, Cake, I would like you to take a snapshot of whatever month I'm in and just show me the amounts owed to each affiliate based on how many conversions and all that that you owe the money for that billing period. So when I click this button, you'll see that it'll open up a little text box showing me everything that, all the summary. And then from there, I can see itemized each affiliate and how much we owe them. Now you'll notice that not all of my affiliates are set up as Cake Pay. Some of them are, some of them are not. And so I can then quickly verify from here, are these affiliates set up properly? Did they finish the work on their side? So if I click this blue button, it'll tell me, hey, they're missing their payout profile. So they have not actually configured things correctly yet. So this may prompt me just to kind of nudge my affiliate and say, hey, you haven't completed the Cake Pay configuration, so you're at risk of not getting paid this period until you do so. Otherwise, let me show you what it looks like once bills have been paid so you can get that full picture of the front to back, the full loop, right? So let me go to another instance that actually has payments that have been done so you can see what that looks like. All right, final step of the process is now we've generated our bills, we've received the invoice from Cake for how much money we owe your affiliates, and you've paid that bill. And now it's time for us to actually pay your affiliates. So we've sent out our wires, our ACHs, et cetera, whatever payment method they've signed up for. And now you can actually see the status off to the right-hand side. So we know exactly that these affiliates are on Cake Pay, as I've filtered for. And I can also see the status, right? So some of these affiliates were paid, some of them were not paid. They didn't finish setting up Cake Pay. So that's one of the things that you just want to be aware of in this process is that when you assign an affiliate as Cake Pay, they can only get paid if they've completed their work. So that's the whole from start to finish, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about Cake Pay.